The year was 1203, and the air was thick with tension. In the heart of Normandy, France, stood a formidable fortress, Château Gaillard. Built by Richard the Lionheart, this medieval marvel was a symbol of English might. Yet, the winds of change were blowing. King Philip II of France, with a burning desire to reclaim lost territories, set his sights on this impregnable stronghold. His plan was meticulous, his determination unwavering. The siege began under a somber sky, with Philip's army amassing, their banners unfurled against the horizon. The castle's defenders, led by the valiant Gerard de Dinan, awaited the onslaught with bated breath. As days turned into weeks, the siege wore on. The castle's walls, thick and mighty, held firm against the barrage of arrows and stones. Yet, the relentless assault took its toll on the castle's garrison. Food supplies dwindled, morale began to falter. In the face of adversity, de Dinan rallied his men. He inspired them with tales of bravery and resilience, reminding them of the honor they held as defenders of the castle. The siege was a test of their mettle, a trial by fire. Meanwhile, Philip's engineers worked tirelessly to build siege engines, massive machines designed to breach the castle's walls. Each day, they came closer to their goal. The defenders, aware of the impending threat, prepared for the worst. On the fateful day, a deafening roar echoed across the battlefield. A massive trebuchet, the size of a small house, hurled a boulder towards the castle walls. The impact was tremendous, sending dust and debris flying. The castle's walls crumbled under the devastating blow. The defenders fought valiantly, but the siege engines relentlessly pounded the weakened walls. The castle, once a symbol of English might, was now on the brink of collapse. In the end, the fall of Château Gaillard was not due to a single event, but a series of relentless assaults. The castle's mighty walls, once unconquerable, were breached. The defeat marked a turning point in the Anglo-French conflict, a testament to the brutal reality of medieval warfare. The siege of Château Gaillard was a tale of courage and resilience, of determination and strategy. It was a window into the past, a glimpse into a world of knights, kings, and castles. And though the castle fell, the legacy of medieval castle siege warfare lived on, etched in the annals of history.